In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit ClickUp templates. ClickUp has become an indispensable tool for many businesses and individuals for managing tasks, projects, and more. Among its many features, the ability to use and customize templates stands out as a real time saver. Whether you're new to ClickUp or you're looking to streamline your workflow, editing templates in ClickUp can be incredibly beneficial. First off, let's get you logged into your ClickUp account. Head over to ClickUp's website. When there, locate the login section and enter your email. Remember, this should be the email you use to sign up for ClickUp. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type it in carefully. Make sure it's correct to avoid any unnecessary login troubles. Once you've got that keyed in, go ahead and hit the login button to access your ClickUp dashboard. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard of ClickUp. This is where all your magic happens. Navigate to your workspace by selecting Home. Your workspace is like your command center in ClickUp, so knowing how to navigate it is crucial. Now for the part you've been waiting for, templates. To access the template library, you'll need to find the Teamspace option from your dashboard. Think of Teamspace as the heart of your collaborative efforts. It's where you manage and share task lists, docs, and yes, templates. Within your Teamspace, look for the Templates option. This is your gateway to a world of pre-designed project and task management solutions, which you can adopt or adapt to fit your needs. To see what's available, click on Browse Templates. This opens up ClickUp's vast library of templates, covering everything from simple task lists to complex project management workflows. Browse through the selection and pick a template that suits what you're looking to accomplish. The beauty of ClickUp templates is that there's something for nearly every conceivable project or task. Take your time here. The right template can significantly streamline your work. Found one you like? Great! The next step is to bring that template into your workflow. Click on the template that caught your eye and then look for the Use Template option. Selecting this will add the template to your workspace, but that's just the beginning. Here comes the fun part, customizing your template. ClickUp templates are designed to be flexible, allowing you to tweak and tune them to your exact specifications. Once the template is in your workspace, you can start editing. This could mean changing task names, adjusting deadlines, modifying assigned team members, or even adding new tasks. The customization options are plentiful, giving you the freedom to mold the template to fit your project's unique needs perfectly. When customizing, think about the specifics of your project or workflow. What tasks need to be done? Who will be responsible for each task? What deadlines are we looking at? Answering these questions as you edit your template will help ensure it's a perfect fit for your needs. And there you have it. You've now not only added a template to your ClickUp workspace, but customized it to fit your specific project or task. Remember, the goal of using templates is to save time and bring efficiency to your workflow. Don't be afraid to experiment with different templates and customization options to find what works best for you. ClickUp is an extremely robust tool, and its templates are just scratching the surface of what it can do. But mastering templates is a fantastic way to get more familiar with ClickUp's capabilities and start streamlining your projects and tasks right away. As you become more comfortable with editing and customizing templates, you'll likely find new ways to use them to support your workflow. And remember, the more you customize, the more tailored and effective your ClickUp workspace will become. Thank you for joining me today to learn about editing ClickUp templates. Dive in, give it a try, and see just how much more productive you can be with a perfectly customized ClickUp setup. Happy customizing!